Hey y'all, so I just got done recording a couple of videos. It's dumb late, it's 1 o'clock in the morning, but I'm gonna be vlogging, so I figured I would start the vlog out right now. Tomorrow we got some stuff to do. I gotta go to the post office because I got a P.O. box. I've been doing a little bit of giveaways and I want to do a lot more, but I'm always scared to put my address on stuff because I love you guys, but you never know, like, you know, for safety reasons it's better to not use your address. So I have not been using my address, and I got a P.O. box so that way I can send you guys stuff and have a return address in case you want to return something or send something to me, because that's basically what happened, and that's why I actually went to get a P.O. box, because somebody sent me something and I hopefully got sent back to them, because it's definitely not going to get sent to me because of the return address that I used or whatever. But anyways, I was totally not expecting anything to be sent to me, so I'm so sorry that happened. I also have to go to the dentist because my freaking tooth fell out, or my veneer, whatever you want to call it. I'm just kidding. I had a cap and it fell out, so I need to go get that replaced. I don't even know how it fell out, y'all. Like, I was literally eating the softest macaroon ever. I know I'm not supposed to eat no macaroons, but that's what I was eating, and it fell out. And thank God I felt it in my mouth before I swallowed. Like, girl. The look that I did tonight is with this Huda Beauty palette, the nude one, and I'm probably gonna have that video up already by the time you see this vlog, so go check it out if you haven't seen it yet though. Anyways, I'm about to take this makeup off my face and go to bed because I have a really long day tomorrow and I need to sleep because it's already like really late. So I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow. Hey y'all, so good morning. It's Saturday now and I'm just getting ready real quick. So I am drinking this green, sorry, this is not green, this is red. I'm drinking this red juice. This is from Trader Joe's. It is a cold pressed juice. I actually wanted to have a smoothie, but I couldn't find the blender part, so I'm just gonna throw on some lashes because I want to have some lash volume today. These are the ones that are from the beauty supply store. And so anyways, I'm gonna take this eye pencil from this brow pencil is from Covergirl, and I'm just gonna put this on. My hands are so ashy right now. I'm gonna fill in my brows. This juice tastes pretty good. This tastes pretty good, y'all.
Go back into it gets them back into the earth.
So I'm gonna use the Makeup Forever concealer. It's really close to my complexion, and I'm not wearing a lot of makeup. Like, I'm not really wearing makeup.
Perfect.
So I think it's really good. I really just want to cover under my eye, you know, not look as tired. And I might put a little bit under my brows so they can pop up a little more. Oh, I'm not trying to get my lashes wet with concealer. So I need 2 forms of ID for my P.O. box, but I just realized that my passport has my maiden name on it and my driver's license doesn't, so hopefully this all works out. Hopefully I don't have any problems because I didn't think about that. And then for under my eye, I'm going to use this Luxie brush. I always use these brushes for under my eye. If you hear any noise, my kids are playing. Well, my son is playing right now, so you might hear some bouncing in the background. I do feel tired. I didn't sleep enough last night. Alright, so that's basically the makeup I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna take some setting powder and I'm just gonna put that under here.
Now Daddy's off the chair, I can clean up a little bit.
I'm gonna put on some of this Fenty gloss because I need something on my lips. Alright, so I'm gonna fix my hair real quick. I'm gonna use this edge control. This is from Care. I mean, I'm not the biggest fan. I don't know, I feel like it's alright. It's not like the bomb, you know. I just feel like it's not like, you know, that amazing. I feel like once in a while I find a good one and then all of a sudden it just stops working for me. I don't know if my hair gets used to it or like what the deal is, but I don't know. Right now this one is just not working. Basically when I first apply it, it's fine, but then in like 10 minutes it just starts lifting and my edges just start lifting off my forehead. Like, it's so weird. I don't know what's causing that, but that's what's been going on with my edge control. I'm gonna take one of these brushes and just brush everything. I want to do a ponytail, like a bigger one, but I do not feel like wrapping my hair with extensions. So I'm gonna show y'all what I did yesterday. It's a little ghetto, but it worked. Okay, so I took this hair extension, which I feel like I need a little bit of powder under my brow because it looks a little orangish. This is actually a clip-on extension, by the way, with 4 clips, and it's like supposed to be like really, what do you call it, really full, like have a lot of volume. Like I don't know how to talk right now, you guys. Basically this type of clip-on extension, I got it like 4 years ago from Irresistibly Me hair extensions, and it's supposed to be like having 3 or 4 wefts in one, something like that. So it's very full in terms of volume. So I just wrap, okay, so I'm just gonna wrap my hair in it like this. My hair is dyed in the ends. The ends of my hair is still dyed from like last year, so you're gonna see that, but I'm just gonna wrap it all around.
What are you gonna do?
Making a bun, Kelly, like this, and then I'm just gonna take my scrunchie. Where's my scrunchie?
I'm gonna take your scrunchie so you can tie that up because you don't want it to come out.
Oh my gosh, I am, but I just popped it.
You broke it?
I sure did.
Did it hurt?
No, it didn't hurt. Alright, so I have this scrunchie, but it's black and white. Like, it's not even, I don't know, whatever.
I like that.
You do?
That's fine for your hair. It looks
Oh, it's not gonna
cool.
work.
It looks cool to me.
I'll try to cover it up a little bit. So this is what it looks like, you guys. I covered it up with the little hair that was around. I'm gonna do a quick outfit of the day before I head out. So this is what I'm wearing, a black top with this shawl thing. This is from Boohoo, and these are the boots I'm wearing. I wear these boots all the time because they're comfortable. The wedges, I know it's like, you know, wedges, but they're comfy, okay? And I get a little extra height. So I'm gonna go to the post office now. I'm going with Johnny.
I'm gonna drop a gang sign, bro.
What? You're bugging.
Gang sign.
Johnny's eating bakes. If you're from the Caribbean, you know what bakes are. So we just got to the mall. I couldn't get my P.O. box because apparently my second form of ID was not valid. We're gonna go to the mall now. I had to pick up some shoes for my brother, but we do have an hour to, you know, spend in the mall. This is the Garden State Plaza, in case you guys were wondering what mall we're at in Jersey. My favorite mall. Well, one of my favorite malls. Sun is hitting. Alright, about to go in. Coffee at Nordstrom Cafe. Drinking my drink. I love Nordstrom Cafe. Their drinks are really good. I also got some stuff, y'all. I was supposed to vlog me at the store, or the little jewelry thing, getting jewelry, but I totally forgot because I'm not used to being a vlogger. But I got this necklace and I got these rings. Ooh, icy. Ooh, and I got some earrings from Chanel. So I got these earrings. I'm gonna show y'all what they look like. They're from Chanel. Spent a like $500. I'm just kidding. These were not $500, y'all. These were kind of expensive for what they are, but you know what? Anyways, this is what they look like. How cute are these? So cute. What they look like. Cute. I think I'm going to such a baby. I'm so scared. It's like hours later. I edited my video and I need to upload that tonight. So I'm gonna upload that video and we're gonna have a family movie night. So we're gonna pick out a movie and have some snacks and stuff. So that's what I'm about to do. Callie dressed herself today and she's wearing a Christmas sweater. So I just uploaded a video on YouTube. I'm gonna answer some comments right now. All right, so these are the first comments I have. I have Desi 617 and also Millicent Spears, the first two to always comment on everything. I absolutely love them. I usually heart and like everything and then I respond to it. So yes. I usually go on Instagram and I usually Tiffany. I need to add a story for that video, so I'm just gonna go here and I'm gonna put this as my Instagram story, and I'm gonna put YouTube to get some YouTube stuff. Usually they have some cute things sometimes. Put things different places. I'm gonna put this little sign. I bought a little pencil to write on stuff, but obviously I lost it already just because I lose everything. So I do like that. Something like that is cute, I think. Alright, so I share that and I have it added to my videos highlights. And that's it. Alright, so I'm basically gonna answer some more comments for the night. I know it's really loud because my kids are watching a movie. They're watching home. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna do, and then I'm gonna go to bed because I need to wake up early for church tomorrow morning. So, which is really today when you see this video. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in another video.